If you want your home to look high-end without spending a lot, the thrift store is where it starts. These are the high-end thrift store finds I always look for. Pieces that instantly make your home feel more expensive and collected. And once you know what to look for, it becomes so much easier to walk into a thrift store with confidence. And come home with pieces that actually elevate your space instead of adding clutter. Hey friends, I'm Angie. Welcome back to the channel. Let's start with one of my favorite things to thrift, and that is art. Art is your best friend at the thrift store. And it can really elevate a space. Recently, I found this piece on Marketplace. It is one of my favorite finds with the dusty blues and the browns. And I added this to our master bedroom, which is coming together very nicely. And I will be sharing more of this room in a future video. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. I also thrifted this beautiful art from Marketplace, and I will be sharing this update in our den that we are redoing also. And I also thrifted this ship picture on Marketplace, and this ended up in our master bedroom, and I love the blues and the moody vibe that it adds. I just loved the soothing colors and the scene on this thrifted art, and this found a home in our laundry room. And sometimes I look beyond what it is. For example, these frames here were so beautiful to me with all the detail, but I did not like the art inside. But I knew that I could add some dimension to these frames with some rub and buff and add my own beautiful art inside. And since there was a matching pair, I knew right where they would go. I added some thrifted art in the first one, and then I printed some art off of Etsy and added it to the second one, and these ended up in our daughter's bedroom. I also thrifted this art, and while I do not love the prints inside, I love the frames and the matting. So I just took everything apart and printed my own prints off of Etsy of these beautiful horses and just put all the frames back together. And I just love the navy blue matting with the horses, and my husband just hung them here on a blank wall, and they absolutely turned out to be one of my favorite DIYs in this part of our room. You will also find me in the frame section at the thrift store. I love to go through and see if I can find any interesting frames to add to our home. I'm currently adding a bunch of these to my collection, and I will be adding them to our built-ins and sharing that soon. And just recently I added a collection of thrifted frames to our master bedroom for a spring refresh. The next thing that I like to look for to give me that high-end look on a budget are lamps. This secondhand lamp was also a fun find, and I loved all the colors in it since it was the colors that I'm using in our home. I added a thrifted lampshade to it, added it to our master bedroom, and I love how it looks in here. Then I have to include this beauty that I found recently at an estate sale, and I just added a new lampshade to it to update it, and I added it here in our sunroom. It is absolutely gorgeous and a perfect statement in this room. And don't forget, you can add any new lampshade to an old base of a lamp to update it instantly and make it look fresh and new for your space. This is another thrifted lamp that I love the shape of, but I didn't love the color. So I gave it a quick coat of paint to help it match our house. And I put it in our entryway for a couple years, but that space has a new lamp, so be on the lookout to see where this lamp ended up in our home. I also thrifted this ivory lamp and added this beautiful new pleated lampshade to it, and I love the monochromatic look. And I also had to include my fun trophy lamp find that I found a couple years ago, and I added this black pleated lampshade. I think it just really completes the space. The dishware is another section that I like to check at the thrift store. You can find beautiful plates to add to a plate wall, or maybe you can find one to replace a broken one in your set. But they are so inexpensive, and it's just a fun way to find different patterns and designs that you can add to make your space interesting. When I found this blue and white plate recently at the thrift store for $3, I knew it had to come home with me. I didn't know initially where it was going to hang, but I found a space for it in our hallway. Now I like to hang my plates with these little plate holders. I'll show you later another way that I like to hang plates, but this is convenient and it holds the plate securely. I love this little pop of blue here, but I knew that I needed to change out this picture to something with a little more blue and less green. So I just added this beautiful print here, and I love the pop of blue and just the spring feeling that this plate and this picture brings to this space. Now these green plates were an estate sale find, and they were on a bottom shelf, and I had to dig them out. I think there were a total of 8 of them, and they are some of my favorite finds. Now to hang these, I used the little disc adhesive plate hangers. These are very convenient, but they take a little longer. But all you do is just put a little water on the back of the disc, and that activates the glue, and then you stick it to your plate. It holds securely, and you have to leave it overnight. But I've had these plates here in our kitchen for about 3 years, and they have really held up well here, and I love the pop of green that they add to our space. I love to thrift beautiful, vintage, colorful books, and I usually come home from the thrift store with an armload. We have a large bank of bookshelves in our den, and I am constantly collecting books to add to those shelves to create an old English style library look in that room. But I also add objects that pertain to the season. I use books as risers to make the vignette interesting. And in the entryway, I added these color schemed books with some objects stacked on top just to add a little more interest to this hallway. One of my favorite ways to display books is with a ribbon, and you will actually see this style in our house frequently. And then one of our most recent ways that we use books is to frame the pages. And I'm working on this, and I'm going to get it just exactly like I want it and then share it in a reveal. It is just a fun way to use a book. I also like to thrift beautiful baskets. This one was the right color, the right shape, and it has a flat back, which makes it perfect for these hooks in the entryway. I just added some of my favorite faux florals, and I love it hanging here in our entryway. This basket I recently thrifted, and it made a trip with me to Trader Joe's, and you'll have to stay tuned to see what I have up my sleeve for this beautiful basket. We went out of town this weekend, and when we came home, most of the flowers were blooming, and I love this time of year. It means that it's almost time to get out and start planting flowers, and I cannot wait to share it all with y'all. If you like this type of content, please give it a thumbs up, like and share, and leave me a comment below and let me know what you like to thrift. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.